When was the last time you went shopping online? Amazon? Google? Well, guess what? Real estate is really no different. When you're selling your home, placing a yard sign on the front lawn, and putting the listing on MLS, well, that's basic. Are you missing out on social media platforms with the most traffic? I'm Maria Trujillo with eXp Realty. You need maximized exposure to get your home in front of the most potential number of buyers. 95% of buyers search online for their homes, and 77% use social media in their search. Yet only 16% of agents use social media in their marketing strategy, and only 1% are doing it correctly. As a real estate professional, I want to offer more. So I came up with a disruptive, strategic digital marketing plan that places your home in front of thousands of potential buyers weekly. You're probably looking at this video as a result of some of those efforts. I show, not tell. If you'd like to hear more about how I use the tools of Fortune 500 companies to place your home in front of more buyers, give me a call. I'm Maria Trujillo with eXp Realty.